I went to go to buy the 18 volt Makita string trimmer, and I used it for about 4 years and just felt like I could use a little more power due to my property having a lot of curbs, sidewalks, driveway length, and flower beds. And I was going through 2.5 batteries each time I went to do my lawn, so I figured, you know what, let's try the 36 volter. And what I found was the direct drive string trimmer was much cheaper, and I decided to go with the shaft drive, which is more like the gas powered versions. Is the, let's get that in there good. This is the RU18 PT. So with this one, it was a lot cheaper. There was another version that had a few more RPMs involved with the total spin of the motor to get the cutter to work, and I chose to go with a little less because it wasn't worth $100 to me, just like I didn't think 2 batteries would be $100 worth to me. So I went with it, and I really appreciate when we go through these YouTube videos and we see by the unboxing. Okay, so it comes with the 2 batteries, the string trimmer, and a double charger, which I really needed. I did the unboxing, and I think it's important. So what I did is I opened this up in a prior video, but I don't like the way it came out, so I'm touching it up. So here we go. What I found was I was trying to open up through here because this was so large. CPO sent this freight, and then the direct drive one I guess could come apart and be shorter, and it actually has these strange pull-out tabs, so you cut it along the edge. They sent it with this box, which is kind of weird. So you cut this along here, and it has these pull-out tabs that you can't see when it's crazy taped up. And then once you take the pull-out tabs, you open it up, and it's rather robust, this box. I was pretty surprised. Okay, so my recording was so loud with unboxing, so we're checking the battery bracket, the protector on the back here, make sure everything is good. This box came pretty damaged, and we're checking things over, but I love the unboxing. As I go through, everything looks good, nothing is damaged. The box really held up well. As I go through, we have ourselves a instruction manual, which is quite effective. We have ourselves hardware and then a bag of other hardwares, and there's our double charger. This was one of the main purposes I bought it, because we use so many batteries going through Makita. I use everything through the batteries. When I work with a table saw, I always have the blower, and then there's a circular saw, so I go through 2 batteries often, and it would be nice to charge everything at once. My other battery charger is 6 years old and his fan's getting noisy, so yeah, 2 nice big 5 amp hour batteries came with this as well. And as we go through, pretty surprised, very impressed at how everything fit in that box. It came free, which was kind of surprising, and it came with the box, no extra boxing on the outside.